So I finally got my hands on this PearliPen Teeth Whitening pen, and honestly, I've been pretty impressed with it so far. I've tried so many whitening products over the years, strips that peel off, gels that drip everywhere, LED kits that feel like mini torture sessions, and most of them just make my teeth sensitive or gums sore. But this one is actually different. Right out of the box, it feels premium. The pen itself is compact, like something you could keep in your bag or pocket. And the applicator has this really fine brush tip. That means when I applied the gel, it wasn't messy, and I could target only the teeth I wanted to whiten instead of just smearing it everywhere like some products out there. The first time I used it was after brushing my teeth at night. I just twisted the bottom of the pen, a small amount of gel came onto the brush tip, and I painted it onto each tooth. The gel was clear and it didn't taste awful. In fact, it had a mild, minty sort of feel that wasn't irritating at all. Here's the part I really liked. I didn't get that painful sensitivity you sometimes get with other whitening kits. Normally, after whitening my teeth, I'd be like, ouch, cold water hits, and it feels like mini electricity. But with PearliPen, that didn't happen. My teeth felt normal, comfortable, and I still saw a difference. Now, don't expect magic whitening instantly in like 5 seconds. It takes consistency. My smile definitely looked brighter after a few days of use, and by the end of the first week, I started noticing people actually commenting on my teeth. I'd have coffee or tea and see stains lifting more quickly than with strips I've used in the past, which was honestly surprising to me. What's cool is the formula they use is peroxide-free and enamel-safe. This means it's gentler. Good news if you've got sensitive teeth like me. Some kits really mess with your gums or enamel, but this one didn't, at least in my experience. Another thing, the design makes it really convenient. I've actually used it before heading out to work, just a quick swipe, and then I'm out the door with a brighter smile. The compact size is something I didn't realize I'd appreciate so much until I started using it regularly. Of course, it's not a replacement for professional dental treatments, and results can vary depending on how stained your teeth are to begin with. But for everyday use, especially if you want that extra confidence boost without irritation or complicated trays, I think it's a solid option. So yeah, after using PearliPen consistently for about a week and a half, I'd say my smile is noticeably brighter, my teeth feel good, and honestly, I'm using it again tonight before bed. If you're someone who's been disappointed by other at-home whitening kits, this one is definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this or something similar and what results you got. And if you want updates on how mine looks after a full 2 weeks of use, hit that like button and subscribe so I can share them with you.